Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this Ortega vacuum cleaner rack stand. So I'll just open it up from the box and there should be a few components in this box. It's pretty much metal and I'm gonna connect the Dyson, the animal one, so V6. Apparently you can connect different Dyson vacuum cleaners, the portable vacuum cleaners. But here's the base. Just connect this middle section to it. There it comes with bolts, so you just can easily use the bolts and bolt this stand together. It's pretty straightforward. Wasn't really difficult at all, but just gotta follow the instructions. Just put one on both sides. And there are these nuts that you gotta bolt into the sides. Gets a bit fiddly if you're doing it by yourself, so you can always get a partner and get them to hold the stand, the vertical part, and then just bolt it in. So once you've done the sides, make sure it's completely tight. Now you just got to do the middle part. So there you go, it's just a few screws there. There's 4 of them there. There's another 4 here. You can't go wrong to connect these parts together. So the ones that have this little hook is for the base, for the bottom part, connecting to the base. Just connect these additional screws, just do one side. And then here's the other side. It's very nice and easy to do. It does come with all those little parts in the bag. And those are more to connect the vacuum cleaner holder onto the stand. And I'll quickly show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go get the vacuum cleaner and connect it up. So here it is. Haven't done the cabling properly, but just connect the base of the vacuum cleaner to the top there. And you can put all your parts at the bottom. It's got those little hooks. It does a pretty good job. So that's all. Hope this video helped.